Facing COVID-19, China and Latin America join hands to fight the pandemic and overcome the difficulties together, further enriching the concept of a community with a shared future between China and Latin America. After the outbreak of the pandemic in Latin America, China sent medical experts to Venezuela and Peru. As of March this year, China and Latin America countries had held more than 40 video conferences for the exchange of antivirus experiences. China has donated more than 34 million pieces of medical supplies and equipment to 30 Latin American countries. On May 21, the number of COVID-19 deaths in Latin America exceeded 1 million. The vaccine became a decisive factor in the fight against the pandemic. When it was hard to get a single dose of vaccine in some countries, China once again extended a helping hand. According to Pan American Health Organization, as of mid-May, 26 Latin American countries with available data had received a total of more than 84 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines, of which more than 54 million doses were Chinese vaccines, accounting for about 65%. In El Salvador, Chinese vaccines accounted for 84.3% of the country's vaccinations. In Chile, the proportion was 84%, and in Brazil it was 71%. After most adults received 2 doses of Chinese Coronavac vaccine in Brazil's small town of Serrana, the number of new symptomatic cases fell by 80%, the number of hospitalizations fell by 86%, and the number of new deaths fell by 95%. The concept of a community with a shared future between China and Latin America was put forward in July 2014. In the past 7 years, China and Latin America have established the Forum of the Community of Latin American and Caribbean States and China, and promoted a dialogue and cooperation platform covering over 10 fields including political parties, infrastructure, agriculture, scientific and technological innovation, youth, think tanks, law, and the environment. Some other projects like the China Latin America Joint Laboratory and China Latin America Media Exchange Center have also taken root. According to the United Nations Economic Commission for Latin America and the Caribbean, due to the pandemic, Latin American exports to the US and the EU dropped by 14% and 13% respectively in 2020. But exports to China still grew by 2%. The trade volume between China and Latin America has exceeded $300 billion for 3 consecutive years. Some 19 Latin American countries have successively signed documents on Belt and Road cooperation with China. The stock of Chinese direct investment in Latin America exceeds $450 billion. Latin America expects to cooperate with China in various fields such as 5G technology, artificial intelligence and biotechnology. In the future, China will continue to work with Latin American friends to actively build a community with a shared future for the better benefit of the two peoples.